how to install Google Chrome on Windows. So if you want to install Google Chrome on your Windows, then what you need to do is, like for example, if you don't have Google Chrome and if you want to install it, if you have a new laptop, then you just need to simply go with any browser that you have. Like for example, you may have Microsoft Edge or any other browser. You can just simply go with the browser. And on your browser, you need to search for Chrome download. And here you will have download Google Chrome. So click on the first option. And here you will have the download option. So you just need to simply click on download. Once you click on download, you'll have the Chrome setup downloaded, which is on the top right. You can just simply go with the downloads. And once you click on open file, if it will ask you if you want to install it. So you just need to simply click on yes, and it will start the installing process. But in my case, I already have a Google Chrome, so I won't download it again. But this is the process that you can download your Google Chrome. So that's it. That's how you can download. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.